Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn Education section updates with correct formatting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable the LinkedIn Education section updates with correct formatting, follow these steps. First, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Once on your profile, scroll down to the Education section. If you haven't added your education yet, click on the Add Education button. If you already have education listed, locate the specific entry you want to update. Click on the pencil icon to edit that entry. Enter the name of your school in the appropriate field. Use the drop-down menu to select the correct school from the options provided. Fill in your degree field and the start and end dates for your program. If your education is still ongoing, you can select the I currently attend this school option. Next, add any relevant activities or societies you were involved in during your studies. For proper formatting, use line breaks to separate details where needed. This helps improve readability on your profile. After entering all necessary information, review your inputs for any errors. Once you are satisfied, scroll down to the bottom of the edit window. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Your education section will now reflect the updates with the correct formatting. To check your changes, return to your profile and review the education section. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your LinkedIn education section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.